Hello, today I will show you how to reduce an image size and scale an image using Gimp. If you want to send an image to your friend via email or for Messenger and your file is too large, this tutorial is for you. So I will show an example. So this image is Full HD resolution and 4 megabytes size. Drag this image to Gimp. I want to decrease the image resolution. Go to image, scale image. Now set image size that you want. I will set HD resolution. Now press scale. Now we have HD resolution image. Now we can export it to PNG or other format. So go to File, Export As, type a new image name if you don't want to overwrite it. And click Export button. Now you have it, HD resolution image, and file size is 1.5 megabytes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for more videos.